Hey folks, Bob Holzacker here, Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough. Beautiful sunny spring day here. We have a beautiful brand new A-Class in the showroom. It looks beautiful in black. It's a 22. Wait till I tell you the price. I don't usually mention the MSRP on here, but I'd love to. It has all the safety features, including the brake assist system, which is radar based. It's going to detect an obstacle, proceed to warn you, and then put on the brakes if it needs to. It's just a lovely car. This is our entry-level car in the United States. It's all Mercedes-Benz. It really is wonderful. Let's come over the MSRP and then we'll walk around the car. Less than $40,000 for this car. So it's built in Germany, in Rastatt, Germany. Many cars are advertised as German engineered, but they're not built in Germany, and this one is. Come on back around the back. Beautiful chrome outlets. I do want to show you the trunk because I've had this parked next to our C-Class, and it's hard to tell the difference. There really isn't much difference in space. This is how you would lower the seats, and then you have a pass-through on both sides if need be to put skis in and Home Depot and all kinds of things. Very, very accessible. And let's open the front here. Beautiful interior. Has the MBUX system where you can talk to it. It's a touch screen now. You can set the temperature and the radio stations, everything by voice. It will get better as it gets to recognize your voice and how you work, but it starts out very nicely. So it is all-wheel drive, our famous 4MATIC system. The car is super in snow. It was in courtesy service, so it has a couple thousand miles on it, but it is lightly used. That's why we have it in the showroom. And it's sold as a brand new vehicle, so your original warranty would apply. And on Carfax for the future, for resale purposes, you're the first retail owner. Okay? Bob Holzacker, Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough, 207-747-9714. Thank you.